Hidden in the soil beneath your feet are 10 roots and tubers that have been used for thousands of years to heal the body, long before modern medicine existed. Today, you'll discover exactly which root fixes which problem, why it works on a cellular level, and how to use it starting tonight. Stay until the end, because the last one is the most overlooked healer on this entire list. 1. Ginger, nausea. Nausea isn't just uncomfortable, it's your gut signaling inflammation or disrupted motility. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound that calms the digestive tract and speeds up stomach emptying. Studies show it can reduce nausea from motion sickness, pregnancy, and chemotherapy just as effectively as some medications. A small piece of fresh ginger steeped in hot water can settle your stomach within 20 minutes. 2. Turmeric. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the quiet driver behind arthritis, heart disease, and premature aging. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, blocks the same inflammatory pathways that many anti-inflammatory drugs target. The catch: curcumin is poorly absorbed alone. Pairing it with black pepper increases absorption by up to 2000%. 3. Garlic. Weak immunity. When garlic is crushed, it releases allicin, a sulfur compound with powerful antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties. Regular garlic consumption has been linked to shorter, less severe colds and stronger white blood cell response. Crush it and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to preserve the allicin. 4. Onion. Cold coming on. Onions are rich in quercetin, a natural antihistamine and antiviral compound. At the first sign of a scratchy throat, onions help thin mucus and calm the inflammation that makes colds feel worse. Some traditional remedies even use raw onion slices near the bedside to ease congestion overnight. 5. Beets. High blood pressure. Beets are one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. Research shows a glass of beet juice can lower systolic blood pressure within hours. This is why athletes also use beets to improve endurance. 6. Carrots. Poor eyesight. Carrots owe their orange color to beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for the light-sensing cells in your retina. A long-term vitamin A deficiency is one of the leading preventable causes of vision problems worldwide. Cooking carrots slightly actually increases beta-carotene absorption. 7. Sweet potatoes. Low vitamin A. Sweet potatoes deliver even more beta-carotene than regular carrots, gram for gram. One medium sweet potato can supply well over a full day's vitamin A requirement, supporting skin, immune function, and eye health all at once. 8. Cherry bell radish. Poor digestion. Cherry bell radishes stimulate bile production and digestive enzymes, helping the body break down fats more efficiently. Their natural fiber also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which is why they're often used as a light pre-meal digestive aid in traditional diets. These 10 roots have quietly supported human health for centuries, long before pharmacies existed. If you want a complete, step-by-step guide to using foods like these to heal your body naturally, check the link in the description for Nature's Healing Secrets. Comment "Fit" below and I'll send you free healthy breakfast ideas to go with this list. Subscribe for more natural healing content every week.